Alright, what are you doing, Chomps?
I opened the Garten party bundle.
Nice.
Let's open it. Woo! Look at that, you guys. Oh, guys, you can open it. It's full with prizes. Guys, this is gonna be easy. Wow, it's full of prizes. What is this? What is this? Mom, what is this?
Don't come inside.
Mom, can I open it?
Of course.
Oh my God! I got a Bin Bin! Oh no, this one is actually so pretty cute.
That's awesome.
Open this one. Open it. Let's see this is. Oh my God! Oh my God, this is awesome! Okay, what is this one, guys? Okay, which one is this, guys? Guys, okay, another Brambolino. Oh my God, we got a Bam! Oh my goodness!
That's awesome.
Oh my
Come
goodness!
up.
I got a plushie too? Guys, this is our last one. I can't believe what's the last
Let's
one.
see. Last one.
This is our last one, guys. Oh my goodness! We got a blue jumbo Josh!
And it came with a little figurine.
We got a mask too?
Would you like to try it on?
Wait, what is these? Cassie, look at I look
Tell
like
everyone
Bin
thanks
Bin.
for viewing in.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for opening this Garten of Bin Bin. Make sure you subscribe. Guys, I like this little cute Bin Bin. Guys, he's like angry.